Hello everyone. Welcome to the virtual platform of BDM International. Today we are all here to celebrate the International Day of Yoga. Currently, the situation that we are in, all of us must admit that taking care of our health and taking care of our body and mind has been the top priority. We are all trying to overcome this difficult situation in our own way. And you will realize that this has actually given back some of the age-old remedies. Everybody is practicing such remedies in their house so that they can take care of themselves, they can take care of their family. And this is where yoga can help you, because our target has been to boost our immunity system so that we can survive this. So on this International Day of Yoga, let's take a pledge that not only you, but you are also going to motivate your family members, your dear ones, your friends, and everybody that you know of to make yoga practicing a part of their daily routine. We are all busy, but I am sure that if we want, we can take some time out and do this for our own benefit. Remember that a healthy body will give you a healthy mind, and a healthy mind will give you a very healthy soul. Happy International Yoga Day everyone, and let's start the program with the Gayatri Mantra.
Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat.
We are indeed off to a great start. But before we move on further, let me take this opportunity to introduce you with our guest of honor for this program. We have with us Minara Begum. Minara Begum ma'am has been a former chief coach of Sports Authority of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. She is currently the coach of India team. Not only that, she has prepared several international players and Olympians as well. She has worked as an international judge in Asian Games and Asian Championship. She has been the coach of India team in several international competitions like the Commonwealth Games, World Championship, Asian Games and Asian Championship, World Cup and many more. She has been awarded with 2 prestigious awards. She has been the receiver of Karya Guru Award 2019, West Bengal from the Chief Minister, and she has also got the Chandigarh State Award from the Governor. Ma'am, it's an actual honor for me to introduce you, and we are very thankful and honored that you have decided to be with us today. Welcome to BDM International.
I'm Minara Begum. International Yoga is celebrated every year. Yoga incorporates systematic exercise and self-development technique for mind and body. Yoga is beneficial for all people of all age. I thank the principal of BDM International School, Mrs. Vijaya Chaudhuri, for celebrating International Yoga Day on 21st June and invite me as the chief.
Yoga is a physical, mental and spiritual practice which originated in India. Yoga improves strength, benefits heart health and also helps one manage stress and anxiety in a much better way. The Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi suggested this date as it is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere, and also it shares a special significance in many parts of the world. Just like last year, this year also, BDM International observes World Yoga Day virtually owing to the COVID-19 pandemic situation. Now this year we will commence with meditation, an activity which holds the potential to calm souls.
जीवन चलो सवारे, योग मार्ग अपनाए।
वैर भाव को त्याग सभी हम गीत मिलन के गाए।
तन मन जीवन चलो सवारे।
Pranayama is a practice of breath control in yoga. It consists of synchronizing the breath with movements between asanas. It is the most highlighted asana during this COVID time as it helps us boost our immunity, increases oxygen level, fuels the flow of energy, peace and inner lustration, keeps our body fit, flexible and energetic.
Happiness has no rhyme. Happiness comes from yoga. We yogis are happy all the time. Sthira sukham asanam. Sthira sukham asanam. I practice breath positivity.
The parents, students as well as the teachers have taken up yoga to reduce their stress levels as well as to maintain a balance between their household and work life. The modern times and the adverse situations have taught us the importance of yoga in our lives, as yoga is a very useful way to reduce stress, anxiety and depression out of us. Yoga also supports us to nurture a balance in our mental health and is also the easiest way to get attached to the spiritual world, which then influences calmness and helps in decision making. Thank you.
Wow, such beautiful poses done with precision and magnificence. This is what yoga is. It brings the shine light of awareness to the darkest portions of our body and our mind that have been left alone quite for a while now. We know we cannot cure the impossibilities of the world whilst the COVID-19 pandemic goes on, but we can choose to live a happier life. No matter how much falls on us, but we can keep plowing our ways ahead to keep the roads clean and our bodies healthy. So join all your hands together with me and say cheers to Global Yoga Day.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्।